Developer with Chipkit from last 3 months. In this period, you will see about list-based components. The data grid control is one of the list-based components, along with list, tree, menu, tile list, and horizontal list. The Plex list-based control has data grid, list, tree, menu, tile list, and horizontal list. One is the data grid. The data grid is also vertical list of items, but allows for multiple properties displayed in the columns. Second one is a list. The list displays the more than one items with vertical form. Vertical list. Next one is tree control. The tree control displays items in an expandable hierarchical list of branches and leaves. Menu control. The menu control creates a pop-up menu of a individually selected choice. This can be used similarly to the file or edit menu found in most software. The tile list control displays the items in rows and columns. The related horizontal list control displays the items in a single row. These are the list-based controls. The list-based class. The list-based class components are derived from the list control or its immediately parent, the list-based class. Looking in the Plex language references, you can see the list-based parent class is a base class for controls that represent a lists of items. When the items are supplied through the data provider property and displayed through the item renders. Open my blog link. Thank you.